but I honestly don't think it's worth the price. And I was like, this bag at this price has to be made out of titanium. All right, so I just collected this box today. It is from PGYTECH. Now, this is not a review. It's just an unboxing, and it was bought by my girlfriend. And it was my birthday last week, and she decided to get it for me. So let's unbox it, and I will give you my initial impressions and what I think. Let's go. Is that the right direction? I think not. I suck at unboxings. So one of the reasons I wanted this bag was because of the wheels. Because when I have to travel to different countries, if you guys don't know me, my name is Jeffrey Charles, and I shoot carnival costumes internationally. Photos, videos, and everything that goes into the full production and marketing for carnival costumes. I do travel a lot. I travel to Toronto, Barbados, Grenada, St. Lucia, so many other places, but I do have a 3,000 square foot studio in Trinidad where a lot of people from all over the world leave to come to Trinidad to shoot by me. And one of the issues I have with my other bag is that it is way too small. I have a Pelican kit, but some things I prefer to carry on my back. And one of the things I loved about when I saw this on Amazon was the wheels and the ability to carry it like a carry-on. I will open the plastic. Let's see what it looks like. Hopefully I don't cut the bag itself. Okay, initial thoughts before opening it. Now, this is the front. Not sure what type of fabric is this, but I love the overall feel of the front. Loving the pockets on the side. What does the back look like? Okay, so it looks like it has a little compartment for your laptop. Oh no, it's actually straps in the back, which is cool. The straps actually pack away on the inside to make it more like a carry-on, which is super cool. Tuck them away, close it up. This bag, I think, was a little bit pricey. Wheels. Now it should come with wheels, but the box doesn't have wheels on it. So I'm thinking maybe the wheels are inside the bag. So let's open it up and see. Okay, so zipper. Okay, there's a zipper on top here. This opens, it's actually not a compartment. It's for the handle. So it's kind of cool because even the back of it, while padded, it actually looks like the front. So let's open the front. Okay, so just like every other bag, for every other camera bag, you have the top piece here, which I am sure fits a laptop. I guess I was wrong. It's super short. Oh my God. Why is this so short? Maybe it's a good little compartment for memory cards and that kind of stuff. So many zippers. Okay, let's see the side. This opens. Okay, so it has two clips to keep it from opening all the way up. And okay, so the compartment for the laptop is actually inside in the front. So I guess your laptop goes in here. Super comfortable and amazingly padded. This is the wheels. The wheels come in a little pack. So I'm guessing you pack the wheels away, and when you need them, you take them and you put it out. Now, when I saw it online, I actually thought that the wheels were actually gonna slide in, maybe slide in and turn, and then maybe pull out when you need them. But I guess not. I guess you actually have to attach them. All right, so I'm gonna open this. Ooh, the wheels are strong. It actually feels like skateboard wheels, like skateboard or like rollerblades. Wheels are amazingly well built. Let's see how easy they attach. Now I got some additional straps. I have no idea what this is for. It didn't come with any instructions, so I'm thinking they believe it's dummy proof. This is for some sort of covering. Maybe one of you, maybe it goes over the backpack itself, like a little raincoat if it's raining. I'm not sure. If any of you guys know what it's for, I'm gonna do some actual research after. And if I find out what it's for, I am gonna put it on the screen somewhere right here. All right? So let me try attaching these wheels. Let's see how difficult it is. Oh, they have some little switches on the bottom that makes it super easy for you to put in the wheels, I think. I'm just speculating. Okay, there's a little groove. Okay, so you just pull the little button, you slide it in, and it's locked in. Boom. Wheels feel super smooth. There are some side pockets, some side compartments. What is this? Okay, there's a little pocket. I have no idea what this is for. Maybe for a mini tripod. I'm not quite sure what fits in this. Two side pockets. There's another pocket here. There's some writing. roller camera bag. And I guess that's it. I mean, for the price, I think personally, it is a little pricey because this actually costs more than a Pelican case, and it doesn't give you that level of protection. It doesn't seem waterproof, it doesn't seem shockproof, but the benefit of this is the ability to be able to carry it as a backpack or to be able to carry it as a carry-on. Now it is a lot bigger than my initial backpack, so I'm thinking this is going to be my go-to. I wish the material was maybe, I'm not even sure if it's waterproof. I'm actually going to have to do some research and I am going to put it online. Again, I said this is not a review, this is just a simple unboxing and my initial thoughts. I would hope it's waterproof and the shower curtain that inside is not to cover it when you're in stormy weather. But the zippers feel nice, the compartments are big. Initial thoughts, I think it is a little bit pricey. Would I have spent my money on it? Yes, it is expensive, but it is well built. But I honestly don't think it's worth the price. I think maybe $70 less, $80 less would have been the perfect price point for me. But nevertheless, it's here and I will definitely be using it. After I actually use it to travel, I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna give you all maybe a 6-month review after using it, and I'll let you know what I think after using it for a couple of trips. All right, so yeah, thanks for watching. Guys, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. If you have any suggestions, if you have anything that you want me, that you think I should test with this bag, let me know. Yeah, peace out, bless.